and we are at the original Crabcake Factory in Ocean City, Maryland. Are you ready to have some crab cakes?
Yep.
This looks like this is going to be a great place. This was started in what year? Do you remember? 1996 by Johnny Brooks, who was iconic for Maryland seafood. So we're going to go in and check it out. Well, there was a 45-minute wait, so they said we could go ahead and come back to the bar and hang out, so that's what we're doing. We finally got seated, so now we are getting ready to figure out what we're going to have for dinner. Let me show you the menu. Alright, here is the menu. And I know that I am going to get one of these big crab cakes. And I believe Steve is going to get the Imperial Style fish, which is rockfish tonight. And we're going to split them both. Here's the other side. Just for your information. Let me show you what we got here. This is the broccoli and the rockfish with crab meat. Here, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All that crab meat and the rockfish looks delicious. And then here's the crab cake. That's a good size also. And we're waiting on the salad, which is a little funny because usually you get your salad first, don't you?
Yeah.
Taste it and tell me what you think, honey.
I think it's good.
You think it's good? Is it good?
No.
Okay. Alright. I want to show you the inside of this crab cake. Oh my goodness, it looks like so much crab meat. Time to taste it.
Pizza. Good pizza.
Alright, thank you. Great. Look at that. There is so much little crab meat in there. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Now I understand why they've won so many awards for their crab cakes. And you can actually order them online and they will deliver to your home wherever you are. So that is, I would definitely recommend doing that. It's not cheap, but it is good. We are finished with our dinner here at the Crabcake Factory. What do you think, Steve?
Really good.
It was delicious. They are some of the best crab cakes I think I've ever had. I might have to order some online one day. What do you think? Sound good?
Big chunk for me.
Yeah, big chunk. Maryland is for crabs, so we decided to go with crab cake. If you're ever in Ocean City, Maryland, you might want to check out the Crabcake Factory and get the crab cake because that was better than the rockfish crab imperial, I thought. If you like crab cake, that's true. So, but if you're in the area, you might want to check it out. I hope this encourages you to get out, have some fun.